So you'll be able to finish on time and still with minimal mistake. Look at this. 1 gallon. 1 gallon for 4 minutes. 1 gallon for 4 minutes. 135 gallon is S. When we cross multiply, we are going to get S equals 4 times 135. Is that not?
1 gallon is 4 minutes.
1 gallon is 4 minutes. So 135, that is, when we cross multiply here, you see S equals 4 times 135. So S is what?
540.
Or we can even call it A. Yes, let's call it A to make it easier for us. A is what? 4 times 135.
540.
5 points.
540. 540. 540.
Thank you. 540. 540. So we do the same thing with B. We do the same thing. 1 over 2 is 135 over B. So B is 135 times 2. Of course, supposed to be half of 540. 135 times 2.
70.
270. So these are time. Another thing we can do, since we are looking for this in hours, we can say that A equals 540 divided by 60, just to put it in hours. 540 divided by 60. Let's be fast. And this is time.
9.
Okay, 9. Is it 9? Okay, cool. B is 270 divided by 60. That is just going to be half of it, right? Maybe 4.5. Can you confirm?
4.5.
Okay, so now we use our time. T equals 9 times 4.5 over 9 plus 4.5. 9 times 4.5.
40.5.
40.5.
Yes.
40.5 plus 13. 9 plus 4.5.
13.5.
Is what? 40.5 divided by 13.5.
3.
3 hours. That's all. This is not a very seamless process. It's not a very, very straightforward process. Okay. So thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. So you can join, and tomorrow is also public holidays at 8, at 10, and at 7. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Welcome.